Investing in real assets. For a retirement fund to grow its money, it has to invest in different asset classes. These assets can be categorized into real assets and financial assets. Real assets refer to physical things that have inherent value, such as a building or a fleet of vehicles. A building can give shelter to people. A vehicle can get you from point A to B, regardless of what happens in the financial markets. Financial assets are either in cash or can be quickly converted to cash. They include investments such as shares on the stock exchange, debt bonds, and cash deposits. Why invest in real assets? Real assets offer steady income streams through rental income from office blocks or leasing land or rooftops for solar energy projects. In times of market volatility or geopolitical tensions, investors often tend to invest in gold because the commodity has a long-standing reputation as a safe haven asset. In general, real assets offer stability as inflation, currency valuation, and macroeconomic factors have less of a bearing on their value. The value of real assets, particularly those that are in high demand, like open land in a city, can appreciate over time. As a result, real assets can provide significant capital gains to investors who are able to hold them for the long term. Real and financial assets behave differently and often in opposite directions, in different economic conditions. For example, during high inflation, property prices typically increase along with the price of goods and services. Cash flows from higher toll or utility fees from infrastructure investments rise along with inflation. Money in the bank decreases in value because the high inflation rate eats into the purchasing power of cash. Inflation eats into interest received on debt bonds. During low inflation, cash grows as the interest earned on savings outpaces the low inflation rate. Homes and buildings are less likely to quickly become much more expensive or much cheaper, so the property market remains stable. Cash flows from infrastructure investments remain stable. The value of bonds and debts grow as the interest received by far outpaces the low inflation rate. Investing in real and financial assets is a smart way for a retirement fund to diversify its portfolio and spread its risk. We would like to thank v03 for funding this educational video. Atleha-edu, helping ordinary South Africans save and invest for a better tomorrow. Visit www.atleha-edu.org for more educational content.